car, but then I broke the hose, and so I gotta get a whole new setup for that. But yeah, well, I got these on the on another note. I got these overlays from Premium Auto Styling. As you can see, it's black and silver. Got the front too. A few air bowls. I'll probably order another pair and redo those before Spocom. Oh yeah, I'm thinking about doing Spocom. I entered. I don't know if my car will get in, but we'll see. My car's hella filthy right now. But yeah, I have to buy some hose stuff later on so I can wash my car. But I bought these off of eBay. If I like it enough, I'll probably get the Aerowolf one, but I want to see how I felt about it first. But it's a mirror visor that goes on your mirror. Yeah, so it comes with this generic looking packaging, but we'll see how it goes. I also got window visors. Those should come in shortly, probably within the next week or so. So this will be that. But yeah, let's see how this works. It's not bad. Purely aesthetic. I don't know how I feel about it. We'll see. Like, I might get another brand. I might get the Aerowolf one, just because I think the Aerowolf one is slightly thinner. I could also just cut these and shape it myself, but it's not bad. We'll see how good this 3M tape that they gave us is, though. So this is this side. All I did was honestly just apply it, heat it up a little bit just to get this bend more. It is very pliable, anyway. Hold it in place for a little bit. Yeah, it's not bad. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know how I feel about it yet. But yeah, sorry about all the wind. I flipped it around. I switched the sides, and I did it like this instead. I think this looks 100% better. I don't fucking know. Let me know what you guys think. If anything, I'll just change it up again. But I think this looks better. We'll see. I don't know. So it's literally like a day after I put those mirror visors on, and I got the side visors for the windows. Let's put these on real quick. There she is. Oh yeah. Oh, and they're still pretty on. They're still on pretty good. So I guess like the whatever 3M tape came with is working. Oh yeah, let's put these on real quick. One side done. I just realized for the HIC there's multiple pieces of double-sided tape, so there's like 1, 2, and 3. So I only put one side, so I had a difficulty trying to get all the other two, but I got it in the end. So I should have looked at it first. So I'll show you what I mean on the other side real quick. It looks not bad. I think it flows really well together with everything else on here. So yeah, that's gonna lift it up. See what I mean? There's like 3. It cuts off here, there's a section here, and there's a section here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna piece off each section real quick. Oh, got it on. I think it looks fine. But, you know, honestly, it's double-sided tape. If you don't like how it looks right now, you can always come back, just reapply more double-sided tape and fix it again. I know it's hard to see here. I just chose to get it in here because I don't want to drive with a box in my car. But yeah, I mean, it's a window visor. It's not like body kit or anything, but I think it does add a little dimension to the car, especially since I already have the rear visor. So, you know, usually these are things you do when you first get the car, right? But yeah, it is what it is. I like this. It's hot. Micah detailed my car. Thanks, Micah. Appreciate it. Hit him up if you're in Hawaii. He doesn't do out-of-state ventures. Bryson too, hit him up. Swipe right. Swipe right. Yeah. I put swipe right. I'm sorry. So I bought these trim things to cover up where I cut. I think it looks way better now. Gotta fix that still yet. Had the diffuser came in. I got my vortex generators. You'll see that once we decide how to do that. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we do. We just to install this, you watch FT86 Speed Factory's video, and they'll tell you how to install this. Cause if you watch any of my videos, we don't really explain too much what we do. We just kind of just do it. Cause sometimes it'll work. Sometimes we just make it work. Like my my oil pressure sensor.
You know how many times you have to order parts?
So I bought these RX-7 vortex generators from Shine Auto. Shout out to Ken from Shine Auto for helping me out and like trying to make sure these are in stock so I can get them as soon as possible. Oh shit! Oops. The thing is kind of wet now.
Oh no!
It's okay. It's fine. But yeah, shout out to Ken from Shine Auto. So those are for RX-7s. It's kind of like their version of the RE Amamiya. Their take on it. So we're gonna have. I'm gonna try to make it fit. So we got this side in. It's not my car again. He said, "Yeah, I got this. Not my car." That's all he said. So we did this side. We're just trying to test fit it. Bracket in there. But I'm just trying to figure out a way to hold this up without me holding it. I have a major ass camera where, yeah, I'm needing new tires soon. Yo, sponsors, hit me up, yeah? Tires?
I need tires.
Hit my friends up for sponsors. Bryson like sponsors.
I like Michelin's though.
Michelin's? What you need? What you need?
I don't know.
I think some proxies.
Oh, yeah, I'll take Michelin's.
Oh yeah, I think Michelin too. Fuck it. Yo, Michelin's, shout us out. Test fit, test fit.
Is the back supposed to go up more? Yeah, hold on.
It might. We might have to add one more small spacer. Test fitting, test fitting. So we're gonna do the front lip next. See how this goes. And that's probably it for today. Probably not gonna get to the side skirts. But yeah, because we spent so much time on the fucking gutters.
Carbon fiber rain gutters.
It's carbon fiber, fucker.
Come with your friends.
We got it. We got we got that. The lip. Side skirts. We'll figure it out later.
Annual trip. It's
Look at the front lip one.
I'm not pressuring you. I'm just making sure you have a choice here.
Yeah.
But make sure you come.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Especially Bryson, Micah, and Chester. Angela and Jackie, too.
Moral support.
Morale.
I like this angle right
Shout out to Sabrina for bringing all my stuff, too. Thank you.
Because
Angle looks nice.
you didn't want to get a full
I think so, too.
Rain gutter?
Yeah.
It makes them vortex.
Alright, we're home now. It's honestly the next day. But yeah, let's see what this looks. I think some dirt spots already, but Micah did a really good job. Oh! No side skirts, but it's okay. I got these on. Look, come on up here.